Good morning, Ron.McGowen here with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Going to do a nice show around this morning on the Arctic Fox 295K. First thing you're going to notice on this unit is a nice full front cap with all LED lighting, including lights right here that you can manually turn on while you're hooking the trailer up. You've got a nice full front compartment, generator ready. And this is truly generator ready. This compartment has got all the wiring, the transfer switch, and everything is right there in the compartment, ready to go. Follow me. On the outside, you'll notice a nice full front compartment. Huge front compartment area, well insulated doors. You got power right here for another television, cable and satellite hookup, all right there. They use nice metal compartment slam latches instead of using plastic ones. Full awning with LED lighting behind the awning and LED lighting on the side of the trailer. Nice easy access right here for additional storage area, and again easy access for plumbing and electrical as well. Additional 110 power. And I might point out that this unit does have automatic leveling system. It's got the nice mag wheels on it with the Goodyear Made in America tires. Full front grab handle and of course an aluminum step. You'll notice all of your controls are in one spot, including the nice solar charger controller right there. This unit does have a trickle battery solar panel on it. Lots of cabinets. Come on into the kitchen area. Beautiful kitchen area. 4-door refrigerator. Lots of cabinets. Look at that. You've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 overhead cabinets. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers and 2 additional with additional cabinet space right there. Solid surface countertops. Stainless steel sink. Big bowl sink. With residential style faucet, and that is a metal faucet, it's not plastic, folks. Nice dinette set up with storage under the table. Nice pull out here for additional spot there. And storage underneath the seats. You'll notice the Thomas Pane furniture, that is residential furniture, and this will come with a nice air mattress as well for additional sleeping if need be. Television is set up right there, easy to watch the television. It does pull out and swing around, so if you're sitting in a different spot, you can easily do that. Fireplace that works as a furnace. You've got a CD, DVD player. That'll play inside and outside the unit and is Bluetooth compatible. In the bathroom area, you've got a nice split bath with a big corner shower. Again, the hard surface countertops follow all the way through this unit. Beautiful medicine cabinet, lots of storage underneath. And again, you've got separate toilet room. And one thing you'll notice in this unit, guys, is you've got 3 fantastic fans. Even in the bathroom, you've got a fantastic fan, which is really unusual in this business. You'll also notice that the doors are actually a solid wood raised panel door. Beautiful work that they do in these. Nice storage underneath the bed. You've got a spot on both sides of the bed to put glasses or books or anything of that nature. There is power on each side of the bed. There's 110 power and 12-volt outlet and USB ports all under the bed. Full front closet with cedar. That is actual cedar. A nice 6-drawer dresser drawer setup with power, and again set up for an additional television. Additional thing I'd like to point out in this unit is that it is going to come with the thermal pane windows. So these units, all these Arctic Foxes fifth wheels will come with thermal pane windows. That's a great feature for heat, cold, and also keeps the unit quieter when you're inside. Let's go outside and take a look at a couple other areas I think you'll find interesting. Nice easy access for the trash can, and there is a trash chute right there at the counter. Barbecue location, quick disconnect for propane for your barbecue, and again additional storage where a lot of folks will put a small barbecue in there or just additional items to bring along with them. Full back cap, so you've actually got a solid back cap that just all ties into the construction technology of Arctic Fox. And coming around the side, nice large water heater with a power cord reel. So you've actually got a power cord reel on this unit. It is a 50 amp service. Dexter axles with Easy Lube. And right here is your very convenient docking station where you've got water heater bypass, water system antifreeze set up for the winter. You've got a battery disconnect, outdoor shower, tank flush, everything's right here, easy to get to, low point drains. It's all in one easy, convenient spot. The unit is solar ready, so you've not only got a solar panel up on the roof, but you can use a additional portable solar panel, which is what a lot of people are going to these days. Beautiful unit. There's so much to talk about on this unit. If you have additional questions, please call me directly at 541-968-6010 or Ron.McGowen at Guaranty.com. Thanks again and have a great day.